Hey, hi, Kisana, Urev and Quinandi and Reverend Mlombi bayabuya kwizikrini zethu mtakabawo on the 12th of July 2026 ngoba nexesha ngo-7 p.m. ndasekhaya sabe silapho sijonge ngamehlo abomvu. I hope they are bringing us something evavavumrish. Guys, as you all know that we've been tired of i-TV akho nto idlalayo, and when it comes to us thina abantu bathanda the reviewing of them, what is playing on our screens, and we were suffering its ban. So guess and we are looking forward ke bethu nani to watch Queen Nandi nefamily yakhe nomyeni wakhe. I hope ayizoshoka kakhulu, but ke niyamazi uNandi. uNandi uthethisa Sunday in, Sunday out, Saturday in. uNandi xa sezikrini zethu guys iyathethisa. So let's just go and let's just go. Let's just wait and support them coming on our screens. Sana, I hope nothing but are the best for teen as reviewers and also for Bona as family. And also apparently Nandi has a channel apha YouTube. You guys need to support uNandi. What do you guys think about this? Nicinga uNandi uzawubuya engulaa Nandi okanye uNandi uzawubuya enguNandi or revived? Let's feel the comment section ke bafazi ke siyigwadlaze. Bye y'all.